Hi, I'm Curtis Bodies and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you I can make a little bit more extra income and learn in the process. On this channel, we try to continuously find ways of making money online, and today is just another way of doing that. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and also make sure to leave a like so this video can get out to more people. So in today's video, I'm just going to keep it very short. So today I'm going to introduce you to Binance Learn. So Binance Learn is basically where you watch videos and basically just earn cryptocurrencies based on watching that video. So the video vary depending on what type of topic it might be. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to watch the video and basically just answer a few questions based on that video, and after that you'll be earning a portion of cryptocurrency. But I'm just gonna show you where you can find that and how you can do that. So let's get right into it. So firstly, you're gonna have to sign up to Binance to do this. There will be a link down below where you can sign up to Binance. So it's basically free to sign up. You're gonna have to do some KYC, which may take up to a few hours, or depending up to a day or a few hours. So once you have made an account on Binance and signed up, you will be able to do this. And this is also good for new beginners because it's basically gonna learn you a lot. You're gonna learn a lot more than watching a video, which they have an in-platform learning feature. So once you've signed up to Binance, you're just gonna have to go to the top. You'll see there is all the tabs. So Binance is one of the leading exchanges in the world, which is there's a lot you can do on this platform compared to Luno and Valo. We've seen there's so much stuff you can do on this platform, but besides that, we're just here for the learn and earn feature. So once you'll see there is a tab on top, you'll see there's exchange, launchpad and all the stuff. So what basically we want to do is go to learn and earn. You'll click on that. So basically it's going to take you to a whole new tab. So this is basically the tab where you'll be earning the cryptocurrency. So you can see there's a lot of videos at the bottom. So this depends on you how you want to do this. So you'll see there's quite a lot of tabs. So basically if you wanted to see what's BNB, you'll just say start learning. I'm not going to be doing the video in this video. So as you can see, there's going to be a lot. It's a beginner video published in 2018. There's just some information regarding that. If we wanted to, as we scroll through this video, you can see there's just some multiple videos. So let's just click on what is this one, and basically you will just watch this video. I'm not going to be going through this, and afterwards there will be just a quick survey which you're going to have to answer, and then you'll be earning income based on that video, which is not a lot, but it can be if you watch through all the videos. So that is just the way you can make. There is more on Binance where you can earn more, for such as a few activities. As you can see here, complete personal for 50 USD trading voucher. Click here to task to claim just $20 USD. Deposit crypto worth of at least 10 USD, then you'll get 30 USD. And then ready to try P2P buy 20 worth of crypto and get 3 USD free. So there's a lot of different tasks you can do on Binance which will earn. But basically if you're new to crypto, and that learn and earn feature will be very helpful because you're basically learning and getting compensated for doing that. So hopefully this video gave you an insight how to make a little bit more money online, and also guidance into Binance. If you want me to do more Binance content, maybe just comment it down below, and also make sure to use the link to get directed right to Binance, and also get, I think it's a portion of the trading fees back also. So hopefully this video gave you an insight, and until next time, I'm Curtis Bodies. Peace out.